What do you got there, Nicole? Katie?
Garden snake.
Okay, you gotta go let him go.
Oh, come on.
No, you gotta let him go.
Have fun.
Now, come on, pick him up.
Oh, come on. Look how fast he goes.
Pick him up.
I will.
He can go a lot faster, and he'll take off and leave. Katie, I don't want him in my house.
Oh, yes. Okay, come on, let's go.
Okay, go take him back there and let him go. I see you're pretty brave.
Gardens. I could just put this on video and then could.
And then do what?
I could put this on video for school.
Is that it? Is he biting you?
No, he's just going around. I can show this to Tommy.
No, you will show him the tape.
Oh yeah. Like you will only care. Oh come on. I'm going. Oh, garden snake. He's on playing around. He's looking at me. You can feel his tongue. Come on.
Okay, let him go back under here in the sawdust.
Oh.
Right here.
Can I just let him play?
No.
I mean, just walking.
No, Katie. Katie. Katie, would you let him go over there now? Under the mat. Under the mat.
Oh. I didn't know. You said let him go right there, and I thought that it was watching.
Just let him go right here. No, come on down. Come here.
Where?
Right there. Okay.
I'm going to see him almost every day.
All right. Say goodbye, Snake.